How do you make a WordPress static homepage with dynamic updating content? In this tutorial, I'll show you how I converted my homepage from the default blog format, which looked like this, and turned it into this, which is a more standard website homepage that is static, meaning it doesn't change. But it does have a section here that dynamically updates to show you a list of my most recent blogs or articles. Whenever I post a new blog, it'll show up here. So it's like a hybrid between static and dynamic. Welcome to sharingyourpassion.com. I'm Chill, and my goal is to help you transform your passions into an online business. I will assist you with creating WordPress websites, online courses, email automation, membership sites, social media and how to make it work for you, sales and marketing, and more. Basically, you provide the passion and I provide the assistance, and let's work to get your dreams realized. Subscribe and click the notification bell to set your dreams in motion. Okay, let me log into my Bluehost server, which is hosting my WordPress website. Okay. I'm logging in here so you can see what I do to access my WordPress site. So this is the Bluehost portal, and to get to my WordPress dashboard, my control panel, I just click here. And here we go. So this is the WordPress dashboard inside the Bluehost server. Okay, so I recently launched my blog or my website, my WordPress website. To start, you pick a theme, and I picked Rise by Thrive theme, which is over here. You can take a look at the theme page. So this is Rise by Thrive themes. This is my simple theme, which is great for online marketing, e-commerce, and all of that. When you start your website and you pick your theme and then you start writing some blogs, your home page is going to look like a blog page, which looks like this. Okay, so this is my home page. The default setting for WordPress is showing your home page as a series of blogs according to the newest ones. This is the newest one, and then this is the next newest one. So it's kind of like a news feed or a blog feed, but you don't really want your home page to look like that, at least in my case. In most cases, you don't want a completely blog looking front page or home page. So usually you have a static page. A static page is one that doesn't change because you've styled it to make it look the way you want it and to show things that are important to you for your message to get out. You don't want just new blogs showing up. You want to send a message. Okay, so to create that standard static home page, it's quite easy. You just have to create a new page. Let's go to my pages. And I called it home. Click that. Okay, I'm using a WordPress editor, website editor called Thrive Themes, and its actual editor is called Architect. So this is what I use to do easy drag and drop editing of my website. No need for coding. It's a great deal. They charge, I believe, something like $19 a month, and you get a lot of things, not just this editor. You get things that will allow you to create online courses, also highly converting landing pages, countdowns, light boxes, integration with email automation, integration with membership plugins, so you can have membership access to your site. So I really believe Thrive Themes is probably the best suite of tools to help any website developer, online marketer, e-commerce person to create all the pages you need. And especially it focuses on converting your traffic into an audience or subscribers, or converting them into customers. Alright, so this is the home page I was talking about. This is usually a static page. These things don't change. This thing doesn't change. But this thing right in the middle here, this changes. This is a post list by, again, Thrive Architect. You get this with Thrive Architect. I don't know if you can get this with any free plugins. You pretty much have to pay to get quality features. And this is really one of them. So what this does is it creates a space within my static page that can pull the new articles or blogs or pages that I've written and order it from newest to oldest. So it's a nice way to have a static page, homepage, yet still have dynamic content. So it's like a hybrid. If you click that, you'll be able to edit your header, and this is another element, and this portion is another element, like a background element that I could put this picture, put an overlay of color with gradient, and I can have as many columns here for content. And I put this just little dotty area to give, you know, a transition from this section to this section. This is my post list, and I've decided to make it 4 columns this size with 3 rows, showing you 12 of my most recent posts. And here's a footer. If I wanted to edit the footer, I'd click that. So that's it. This is my static home page, but it includes my dynamic posts. So this was pretty simple to create with Thrive Architect. All it was just dragging and dropping. You just click here and drag a new element over here. If I wanted a new column table or a video or an image, there's so many things you could add. A Google map, testimonials, contact form. This is how you can drag and drop easily and create and design your web page. Okay, so now that we have our home static page done, let's change our settings to tell WordPress to use this page and not my blog format anymore. Okay, so let's do that. Before I show you that, this is how my page looks like, right? This is my home page, and it looks like a blog format. And now I'm going to change it into my new static home page. We go to Settings, Reading. See, this is the default setting, your latest posts. That's because when you install WordPress, you don't have any static pages really. And you just pick a theme and then you start writing your blogs. So that's the default setting. But once you create your first static page, then you can point this home page to whatever page you created. And here I called it home. Okay, so let's check now what our home page looks like. So this is the previous blog format. And let me update this page. Okay, so this is it. This is our new home page. Okay, so now I have a lot more control on what happens on this page. I can just edit these parts, keep some dynamic content of my recent posts. I could create another of these post lists down here that has a different focus, like maybe one that only shows graphic related posts. So now we have a hybrid homepage. Static over here, dynamic over here, and my footer. You can check the description section below so you can see some of the tools I use to create my web page. I highly recommend Thrive themes for your website development because they're very professional, they're on the ball, they're always updating their software, making it better. I mean, almost every other day or every 3 or 4 days, they're updating their tools to make it better, to offer new features, to offer better templates. And they're really focused on helping you convert your traffic into subscribers and customers. If you're going to be having a website for years and years and years, you want to partner with a team that really has your best interest, that's going to be a great long-term partner who's going to provide you with a lot of tools to keep up to date with new technologies and new trends. And the people behind Thrive Themes are people I really trust. I'm not just a believer in them, but I'm a customer. I'm using their tools for pretty much all my development needs in terms of my website. And I've been very happy with them. You get full maximum value for your money if you go with Thrive Themes. I've really been happy with Bluehost because they were the most affordable. I think I only paid less than $3 per month over a 3-year period. I mean, that is a really great deal. And their hosting is fast enough. I've never had any downtime. I've never had any issues. No glitches. When you go for hosting, you should really pick one that's gonna be there for the long haul, because if thousands and thousands of people are using it, that means they have to be very professional, and Bluehost is one of the biggest, so they have the resources to maintain their high quality service. You can check the description section below to see if that offer is still available, where I paid only less than $3 a month for 3 years. Check it out. Some of the links I have on here are affiliate links, which means it will lead you to the service provider that I use, and it won't charge you anything. And I might be able to earn a little referral fee if you do so, and it won't charge you extra. Thank you. That concludes this video. I hope you found this useful, and if so, please give the video a like. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have other questions that I haven't addressed, and I'll certainly get back to you as soon as I can. I'll be doing more videos like this, so subscribe and click the notification bell to see those. And remember, it's my mission to give you the tools and inspiration to help you build your online business and transform your passion into success. Thank you.